This is the 2018 PLASTcar event where we have local schools work with our students to design plastic cars, and then we have a competition where we run the cars on this big long track.
My students are developing user requirements and a prototype for cars that the students at Diehl and Rolling Ridge develop, things that are easier for people to use.
It shows us how engineers make things and how they mold it.
It's a bracket race with a double elimination, so each team, even if they lose in their first race, they still have a chance to come back and win later in the race.
It could also inspire us if we want to be an engineer, whatever we do with cars. We could, they gave us an example of what they do.
The winning is bragging rights for best design, as well as a trophy for that they can take ownership of for the season.